Hey, how's it going guys? It is WiederDude. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. In this video we are going to be building a brand new modern house. The house we are building today is one of the smallest houses I have ever built. It features a really stylish design with 2 floors and a pool on the right side of the house. The main materials are jungle and birch wood, white concrete and white stained glass paints. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to hit the like button under the video. And now guys, without further ado, let's get right into the build. The plot size we need for this build is 8 by 8 blocks. It is inside the white frame. The white frame is not counted to the plot size, we're not gonna build on it, and the size of it is 10 by 10 blocks. So we start at the bottom left corner, move 2 forward and build up a 2 blocks high junk wood column. Then to the right side of it we build up a 3 by 3 junk wood doorway. Inside the doorway replace the ground with a birchwood plank and place an oak door onto it. To the right side we add a 2 by 3 junk wood stair wall. Then 2 junk wood planks to the end. Then we build up a 2 by 2 junk wood stair wall to the back side. Let's add 2 more planks to the left side of it and place 3 junk wood stairs to the left side of the house. Now to the left side of the front wall we add a 3 high white concrete column. From the top place 4 more blocks to the right, raise the last block up by 2. Then we add 4 more blocks to the left like this. Now we build up the same shape to the back side. Let's connect these 2 white concrete shapes on the right side. And now we add the white concrete line to the back and left side as well. Connect the roof at the left side. Then we add a line to the back side of the roof and one to the front side as well. Let's fill the rest of the roof with iron trapdoors. On the left side go in by 1 and place down a junk wood plank under the roof. And now we fill the gaps with white stained glass paints. Inside we place down a crafting table with a torch and 2 furnaces next to it. Then we replace the floor with grey wool. Let's create a second floor using birchwood slabs. Place some ladders next to the door. Onto the second floor we place down a bed, 2 chests and a painting onto the wall. Now to the right side of the plot we create a pool using white concrete and water. Over the pool we create a 3x5 roof using iron trapdoors and oak fences. And as a final step, place some leaves onto the back and right side of the pool. And now guys, we are ready with our brand new modern house. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please make sure to hit the like button. That really helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or ideas, leave me a comment. And if you wish more, just subscribe up to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. See you in the next video.